Missing recipe card.
Sauceria Village is the center of the great sauce world. What should a sauce do to become a master sauce? It goes to the Hungry Cooking School. Sauceria Village is home to a 500-year-old cooking school. So, what goes on at the cooking school?
In today's class, we're going to do some creative cooking. I'm going to taste your cooking, then I'm going to give you a grade.
Let's do it this way.
Stop right there!
Flutter, huh? Flutter!
Sorry, sir. So sorry.
Oh no. Please take care of your ingredients.
Okay.
Huh? What are you making, Yonesis?
Sir, what I am cooking now is myself. Everyone feels full when they see my face, even when they have not eaten.
What? What do you mean? Yonesis, you get a skull stamp.
No!
Huh? Wow, must be. You made all of this already? That's amazing!
Yes, sir. Well, I...
Huh? Oh, wait a minute. These were all deliveries?
Don't you?
Oh, no. Must be. You get a skull stamp, too.
Sir. Hey, sir. Hey.
Yes, PP?
I finished cooking!
Oh, a fish cutlet. Shall I try it? Ah! What is in there? Ah!
Let me see.
I have to make something that tastes better than my friends. Let's put the lid on and... It's done! Mr. Magic Sauce, I made some whipped cream macaroons.
Really? Deke, you made sweet macaroons. Let me try it. Oh, it tastes so good. Deke, well done. Good job.
Yes! 3 stars! I knew it. I'm perfect.
Sir, over here! Here it is!
Huh?
Huh? What is this, Ketchupy? You made a robot instead of cooking food.
I will show you something that tastes really, really nice. All you need to do is press this button. Voila!
Wow! Tomato tteokbokki?
Try it!
Ah, here we go. The tomatoes and rice cakes go well together. This is interesting. You did very well, Ketchupy.
Guys, look at this! I got the outstanding stamp!
Congratulations, Ketchupy.
Congratulations!
Congratulations, Ketchupy.
Yes! Yes!
Huh? Outstanding? I only got 3 stars. No!
Well, that is it for today's class.
Yes, sir! This road isn't it either. What? No. Yeah.
It's so annoying. I know I cook the best food. Why didn't I get the outstanding stamp? Why did Master Sauce give it to...
You have dark thoughts. You and I have a lot alike. Would you like to be friends with me?
Who is it?
I'm your best friend!
No! Ha! This power. I'm going to be the best black tyke ever. But to do that, I have to do something first. Ha! This is the legendary recipe card. If I make this my own, sauceria is mine! I am the best. I am going to turn this recipe card darker than the shadows. I think someone knows I'm here. Well, I'll have to settle for you. Bam!
Oh no! Sauceria is in danger!
I am the prettiest of them all.
This machine I got the outstanding stamp for today is...
Huh? What's going on?
Oh! What is this?